let's get into some questions. This is not going to be too long of a podcast. I'm going to I've got a lot of questions popping up in TikTok, shockingly enough. I mean, I did not expect this, but I've got about 2,000 followers there so far, and they're very active. A lot of questions here, but let me see if I can answer a couple before I leave. If you're interested in following me on TikTok, just go to ConvoCourses. Go to TikTok and then search ConvoCourses. Somebody asked, I'm in the healthcare field and I'm trying to go with the Security Plus and the HCISPP, which is like a healthcare cybersecurity certification from ISC2 Squared to stay relevant. Any tips? Yeah, so this is great. And I'm going to make another video about this specifically on TikTok, but I wanted to speak to this with the podcast. So for this, as you're going to Security Plus, as you're going to HCISPP, I would actually do some labs in your house. One of the best ways to go deeper into this subject is actually have a lab in your house. Like, that means get a separate computer, or you can actually do it on your computer that you use. Get your laptop, your whatever workstation you use in your house, and you can use something called VMware, and you can put different operating systems on that computer, or you can just buy a whole nother computer, build it from scratch, and then put the security features on that. That's a little bit more expensive. With VMware, I don't think it's more than about $200. VMware itself, the software sounds pretty expensive, but you're investing in yourself. So just think of it like that. You're investing in yourself. VMware works, but for now, I'm just going to go to the site just to show you how you can create a lab like right on your computer. So VMware is a virtual manager, and it's an application that sits on your computer, and then you can upload like Linux on it. You can have different versions of Windows. You can have Mac all on the same computer, and then you can network them together, and it's really cool. It's a really great way to learn how to do host-based firewalls. I think you can even put like different firewalls on it. You can put a NAS on it, a firewall. You can have like a whole little tiny network. If you want to do this for free, especially if you're into networking, there's another thing you can do called GNS3. This is something I used to use to practice for CCNA. I used to have a CCNA. I used to be huge into networking. It's been a while, so GNS3. So GNS3 is actually free. The only thing it's going to cost you is your time to figure it out, because it's like last time I checked it, it was an open source simulator that simulates network environments. Really cool. It's actually free. Oh, is it not free anymore? Software that empowers it. Free download. It's not free. It looks like it's not free anymore. Why is this site all fancy now? Oh man. They do this. They put it out for free for a while. Wireshark used to be free too. I want to say Nessus, it was even free at one time. Yeah, look how many people use this. Anyway, so you download GNS3, and it's a virtualized network, and you can literally set up it's so cool. Like, it's like, this is another one I like to do like a demonstration of. It's really cool. It allows you to log in and configure routers and switches and mess around with routing protocols, all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. So yeah, that would be my advice to you. If you're going for a Security Plus, a HCISPP, and you're trying to get into this field, especially if you don't have experience, create a lab, put it on your laptop, start messing around with it so you can then start to understand the inner workings of IT.